Hi guys, my name is Shachi and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special video because I have with me this lovely lady, Zin Shaila Bhatt. Hi. And today we are going to talk about one of the most fun form of workouts that I have ever done, Zumba. I have been attending her classes from almost 2 years and I can vouch for her classes and tell you that it's amazing. You will probably die at the end of it because she doesn't let you stop even for a second, but it's super fun. So Shaila, today we'll answer and we'll clear all of the misconceptions and doubts around Zumba. Done.
Yes.
You've been teaching for almost 3 years, right?
Yeah.
How did you get into Zumba?
I was in a corporate job, like everyone came to Bangalore, wanted to get into a normal routine corporate job, which I did for 8 years, which got monotonous, which got hectic, with a lot of travel along. So Zumba happened by accident. I just went for the training without even knowing the format, and then I came back, and after 2 months I realized that that was my calling. I should start classes. That's when I started taking classes in Bangalore. And within a year, I realized that this is what I want to do. It was also, to some extent, was my husband also pushing me, saying, like, if this is your calling, just go ahead, go for it. I will support you. So I think that helped me beautifully to take this up as a full-time profession. I hope to continue it and keep dancing.
We hope that you continue.
Keep dancing and keep bringing that change in somebody's life.
A lot of people would have, taken aerobics or a Bollywood dance class, but not a Zumba class. So, what is Zumba and how different is it?
Zumba is more Latin-inspired dance fitness workout. You have different kinds of Latin forms, dance forms. Like you have a merengue, you'll have a salsa, you'll have a reggaeton, you'll have a cumbia. So you'll have multiple styles coming throughout that 1 hour of a session. Okay. Whereas aerobics, a bit of monotony might kick in, or the same routines might get repeated.
So Zumba is more dynamic
Yes.
and
Yes.
also a little more higher in intensity, is it? Or?
So it's more of an interval training. So you'll have a high energy song, then you'll have a low energy song, but it's all dance fitness. So there's a lot of different steps. Rhythm is different, the music is different. That's what is interesting about Zumba. So combining everything, Zumba makes it like a fitness party inside.
A cardio fitness part.
Cardio fitness party.
A lot of people now, especially the guys, I think feel shy attending a Zumba class
Yes.
because they feel you have to be really coordinated and it's very dance focused. So what do you have to say to them?
Okay, guys, let's get this straight. Okay, Zumba fitness is for everyone. There is no, it's not a format where you cater to only women and CrossFit or some other workout will only cater to men. No, this is for women and men of all ages.
Yes.
There is no, I have in my class, I see people from teens to about 50 or a 60-year-old coming, and again a mix of men and women. When I say like 3 years back, if I see, I would say about 80 to 90% were just women coming into my classes. Then I saw a change. This is recent. Then I saw a lot of men enjoying Zumba and killing it or rocking it in a class.
I think they have much more fun than we do,
Yeah,
right?
and they'll be
They go all
hooting
out.
and crazily moving. They don't even bother if you don't get a step.
Yeah.
That's fine. Zumba fitness is just all about having fun, guys. You need to just move your body, and Even if you don't get the steps, that's fine. It takes about 5 to 8 classes to get used to the whole routine, used to get into the music. So yeah, Zumba is for everyone, guys. There is no age bar or gender bar at all. Absolutely.
Shaila, somebody who walks into your class, what is in store for them?
There is a format, yes. You start with a warm-up where your core temperature rises. You're ready for your next 1 hour of workout.
Sweating it out.
Yeah, you're going to sweat it out. So you will have different styles coming in. You'll have a merengue, you'll have a salsa, you'll have a reggaeton, you'll have a cumbia. Then you'll have a high energy song. There might be hip hop. There might be African, styles coming in. There might be soca, samba. Once you're done with that whole song, you end it with a cool down, which is very, very necessary. You stretch, cool down, you get your heart rate into a normal pace, and a 1 hour of workout is done. You come with a smile. You have that smile throughout the class.
Yes. Smile is compulsory.
Compulsory in my class, which I keep on saying, guys, smile. It's necessary. It peps up your mood. You leave out all your tensions, what you have gone throughout the day, ups, downs, or whatever. Just come with a fresh mind to a Zumba fitness class. Then rest is taken care by the instructor. 1 hour of workout will burn along about 500 to 800 calories.
That's a lot, right?
Yeah, that's quite a bit.
Shaila, people who live in Bangalore and they want to take a class with
Yes.
you, where do they find you?
In Bangalore, I take classes in Indiranagar at Cult Centers. Anyone who would love to attend a class, a Zumba fitness class with me, would have to log into Cult website or download the app, and just book a trial class and just come into my class, and I promise you that we'll have a ball.
Yes. That's true.
Yeah.
And people who don't live in Bangalore, it's easy to find a Zumba class, right? Anywhere.
Yes. So another very easy way is just log into zumba.com, type in your area, okay, and I'm sure 100% you'll have at least 5 Zumba fitness classes happening either in a fitness or a fitness center or a gym or a studio, or there might be individuals taking in apartments and everything. So I'm sure you'll find an instructor easily.
So guys, I hope you have all the information you need about Zumba. No more excuses. Sign up for a class today and try out Zumba. You'll love it. That's our promise.
Yes.
If you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll get her to answer all of them for you. Shaila, thank you so much for being a part of this video. For more fitness inspiration and more Zumba inspiration, you can follow her on Facebook and Instagram. Her handle is Shaila Bhatt. I'll leave link for that down below. And thank you so much to you guys for watching.
And if you have loved watching us talk about Zumba fitness, please like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. And thank you guys for watching us. I hope you enjoyed.
Yes, we had a lot of fun filming this.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.